Thursday, May 23, 2024. Focus. Salt is good, but if the salt has lost its saltiness? Salt is a vital ingredient in cookery. You may throw it in everything required to prepare a tasty dish, but if you forget the salt, it will lack something. We Christians are called to be the salt of the earth. What exactly does that mean? Just as salt adds flavor to food, we are expected to add flavor to the lives of all those with whom we come in contact. People should look forward to our presence and enjoy our company. We should be people who are full of the fruits of the Spirit. We should be Christ-like in our speech and demeanor. To be Christ-like, we should not lose our saltiness. We must not get distracted by earthly things or seek to amass material goods. St. James makes it clear that attachment to riches, especially riches that have been gained by exploiting others, leads to no good. The psalmist emphasizes what St. James teaches, saying that when the rich man dies, he will carry nothing away. His glory will not go down after him. How many people in need out there have been put off from following Christ because of our tasteless witness? By being salt, we can reverse the process and bring them to Christ. Fruit. Let me take necessary steps to be salt to others in my attitude and behavior, and thus become a true witness to Christ.